This is Kunai, the pinnacle in elite backcountry tents. Designed to stand strong as the lightest 3 to 4 season backpacking tent with mountaineering stability and a convertible tent body for warm weather versatility, Kunai is home base for year-round adventures. Kitted with technology alpinists require, Kunai has the technical features you'll need to face the ever-changing weather of the backcountry at a packed size to cover greater distances. Kunai's premium 15D nylon ripstop fly is significantly stronger, reinforced with the silicone treatment for increased durability and the most reliable, technical weather protection possible. Kunai's floor leverages our 30D nylon ripstop and single seam construction for greater protection and tent longevity. Our reshaped vestibule offers more volume at the front and maximizes usable gear storage, while the dramatically tapered fly creates a streamlined profile to stand up to prevailing winds, rain, or snow. Ultra-durable laminated polyester fabric reinforces canopy seams at the brow for greater tent rigidity and security in extreme conditions. Kunai's thoughtfully engineered frame design with an aggressive brow pull is built to provide an unprecedented amount of headspace for 2 camping partners. Kunai's top-shelf color-coded pull system offers an intuitive, lightning-fast setup and leverages incredibly strong, premium aluminum DAC featherlight poles for ultralight strength and stability. Weatherproof hoods allow pass-through guy-outs to secure inner tent structure directly to the ground when you need greater protection in a storm. And double-looped corner anchors offer greater stake point variation with the durability of 2 loops and the position and size versatility of a single loop. Kunai's legendary versatility starts with its breathable nylon ripstop convertible interior canopy with double-layered mesh windows and door, providing the ventilation needed to be comfortable in anything from hot, humid days in the trees to frigid temps and exposure in high mountains. A large interior gear loft and multiple gear pockets provide plenty of storage for essentials like your GPS, maps, or extra layers. 2 strut-supported vents in the fly at the front and back allow for greater ventilation and condensation control, even in the stormiest conditions. 2 gatefold carabiners connect intersecting poles to evenly distribute stress in the frame during high winds, increasing tent security and longevity. And for those dark nights, light pockets allow you to turn your headlamp into a tent lantern through light diffusing fabric. And for greater visibility, especially at night, Kunai is outfitted with a bright orange fly and reflective orange webbing and guy lines.
The Battle Mountain is a spacious, 4-season, lightweight mountaineering shelter built with bomber base camp materials made to withstand the most rugged of high alpine adventures. The golden yellow color of the Battle Mountain was requested by Shearing Dorje Sherpa, a Big Agnes ambassador and friend who has summited Mount Everest 16 times. The yellow hue honors the Tibetan Buddhism goddess of prosperity and good fortune, Myo Losangma. Her skin is golden yellow, so when Shearing sets up his tent, it will stand out as a tribute to her. The DAC NSL pull system with press-fit connectors and lightweight hubs, paired with DAC oversized twist clips, easily attached to the pull system even when wearing gloves. This was a specific request from Shearing so he could quickly and easily set up multiple tents while guiding on the tallest peaks in the world. The Battle Mountain 2 and 3 feature 2 doors and 2 vestibules. Both doors feature 2 closure options, mesh only for ventilation, or zip up the nylon layer for complete closure. The vestibule door options include 1 single zip door and 1 double zip door designed to be set up as an awning using trekking poles. Storm flaps on the vestibule zippers ensure a protected zipper, and color-coded webbing and poles make for an easy and intuitive setup. The inside of the tent features 3 oversized 3D bin pockets that provide ample storage without encroaching on livable space. High and low internal guy loops provide extra stability in high winds, while Velcro tabs connect the fly to the pole structure to provide a perfect pitch and increased stability. 2 fly vents provide increased airflow and reduced condensation, or are fully closable in extreme weather. Other bomber features include heavy-duty reflective guy lines and reflective webbing paired with oversized stakeout loops to be used with skis, ice axe, or ski poles.
The fly on the tent is made out of 20D ripstop nylon and offers cold weather protection for the kind of conditions you'd expect to experience at treeline. The large vestibules offer enough space for 2 people to comfortably put on boots and gear and store backpacks and keep your gear protected. One of the main features of the Access series of tents is its strength. It features a new crossed pole, which offers more head height and stability. The new Easton Cyclone poles are made of a composite material, which is about as lightweight as aluminum and offer the same strength benefits as carbon fiber. As you can see, they're nearly unbreakable. It can withstand about 27 pounds of snow loading, which is great in case weather is to roll in overnight.
Introduce you to the latest member of the Crua Culla range, the Culla family. The Culla family is just like our other groundbreaking, temperature-regulating inner Culla tents, but it's made with you and your family in mind. It sleeps 5 people comfortably, and the airframe beams not only make it super easy to set up, but it also means it's independent, so it can be used inside our Crua core or any other 5-person tent. The Culla family is the ideal inner tent to keep you and your family at the perfect temperature, always. And the insulation has the added benefit of dampening the outside sounds and blocking out the light, so the entire family can sleep easy.
The Coleman Monviso is a quick and easy-to-pitch performance dome tent with the additional benefit of an extended porch area for increased living and storage space. Comfortable and convenient, the Monviso boasts optimum head height thanks to its peaked porch and dome structure. Its spacious porch is large enough to house a low-level table as well as camping equipment. Simple to pitch, the Monviso features up-in-one pitching for fast protection from the elements. The extended dome structure, combined with the strong yet lightweight 7001 T6 aluminium poles, is extremely stable even in high winds. The durable PU-coated ripstop polyester flysheet features taped seams and a hydrostatic head of 4,000 mm, while the polyester ground sheet has a hydrostatic head of 5,000 mm, ensuring that you'll remain dry in even prolonged periods of wet weather and driving rain. The flysheet features UV Pro to prevent UV degradation, while all fabrics are fire retardant for increased peace of mind. Continuous mesh pole sleeves ensure smooth and easy pole insertion, as well as reducing wind resistance for a more aerodynamic structure and less wind noise. The lightweight squared aluminium pegs and reflective guy lines with quick-action triangular adjusters provide additional wind support when needed. A spacious inner bedroom made from breathable polyester and ultra-fine no-seam mesh ensures that even the smallest bugs are kept at bay, while adjustable ventilation panels throughout the tent allow you to manage the interior airflow, helping to reduce the risk of condensation and maintain a comfortable temperature inside the tent. Inside, there are multiple pockets and a convenient torch hook. The Monviso can be simply pitched in under 10 minutes.